Divine Locks Review. If you're thinking about purchasing Divine Locks, watch this video to avoid putting your health at risk and losing your money. Hello everyone, I'm here to give you some really important information about Divine Locks Complex, and the last alert is the most important of all, so pay attention to the end of this video to purchase the product with security, okay? Okay, first thing, there is no other way. Divine Locks, the original product, is only sold on the official website. Do not put your health at risk for this product. Divine Locks sold in marketplaces. They can harm you, they can make you lose your money, and run the risk of the product not arriving at your home. If you're thinking of purchasing Divine Locks, buy the original product from the official website, and only on the official website. You also have a 180-day guarantee, so it's zero risk. Preserve your health and respect your money. To help you, I left a link to the official Divine Locks website down below in the description of this video, okay? Okay, what is Divine Locks Complex? Does it actually work? Divine Locks Complex is a unique ingestible that addresses one little no cause of hair loss, thinning and breakages, the dermal papillae, falling over and cutting off nutrients to individual strands of hair. So, if you have hair loss, thinning, if your scalp is become visible, if your self-esteem is low because of it and you have tried many ways to solve it without success, Divine Locks is a great supplement for you. Divine Locks is a formula with 28 powerful ingredients that will transform your hair and leave it full, strong, shiny and young, as it had transformed the hair of thousands of women. But be consistent and take Divine Locks every single day. Results don't come overnight, and most people notice good results from the first month or two of use. One very nice thing about Divine Locks on the official website has a 180-day guarantee, and you can ask for your money back without answering any irritating questions if the result is not you expected, because each metabolism is unique and reacts in a different way. Be consistent in use of Divine Locks Complex to get the best possible results. And the last alert I mentioned at the beginning of the video is Divine Locks is at an incredible discount on the link on the description official website. 87% off in the 3-month pack, and an even nicer promotion for the 6-month pack if you prefer. I don't know when you'll be watching this video, and I don't even know if the discount will be still available, but if you still have a discount, it's on that link in the description. I thought it would be good to let you know. So that's it. You can trust the product by the official Divine Locks website and be consistent in your process. Any more questions about Divine Locks Complex, leave them here in the comments. Bye bye!